Actually, hindi ko siya alam paano start. Kaya sinulat ko, Dear Ma'am Charo. Hindi ko kasi alam kung ano at paano simulan to.
Don't know how I got it so bad for you. Guess I never learned how to play it cool. I know people wanna say it's a honeymoon phase. I think it's love through the ceiling, 'cause I've never been so sure it's the real thing. Must be love. Got me talking all night by the candlelight. Little picnic in the park with your hand in mine. If you wanna take a chance, we can roll the dice. Baby, I'll do anything you like. Now my heart is skipping beats and my knees are feeling weak. Every time you look at me, I go crazy.
Dapat lagi sa sentro ng buhay nyo ay si Lord. Okay?
I think it's love through the ceiling, 'cause I've never been so sure it's the real thing. Must be love. It must be love keeping me up at night.
Pasalubungan po natin ng masigabong palakpakan ang mga bagong kasal, Mr. and Mrs. Emmanuel Samson.
Hi baby, my spider Evan.
Eh?
Kumusta? Sana hindi ka tumakbo mamaya ah.
Uy, hindi ako tatakot.
First of all, huwag ka mag-expect na mahaba itong vows. Short but sweet lang.
Eh? Eh, meron din ako. The Boss Eman, my spider Eman. Sana gusto mo itong gift mo. Alam kong gusto at alam mo na to kasi sabay tayong bumili dito.
Shadows been with me before I could even speak.
Sana kompleto pa tayo. Kasama si Papa. Pero okay lang. At least di na siya nahihirapan. Yun lang. Thank you sa inyong dalawa ni Papa.
Kahit hindi ko sinasabi ito sa'yo, sobrang swerte ko. Maging anak ka. Mahal na mahal kita, anak ko. Sobrang saya ko.
Was it really real or could it be?
Ay, wow! Nahulog. Sana magustuhan mo tulad ng pagkagusto mo sa akin nung una. Wala! Ala! Sinungaling to!
Afraid you're already saved. No need to escape. The monsters are safe.
Your kindness makes me love you every day. And today, I vow to love you every day. Nandito lang ako kahit mahirap at magulo lang. Lagi kong i-remind sa sarili ko na noong araw na to, hindi ko pagsisiya makasama ka habang kahit madami pa tayong pagdaanan, lagi kitang pipiliin. Walang second thoughts. In a heartbeat, ikaw lang yung gusto kong makasama.
Don't be afraid. You're already saved. No need to escape. The monsters are safe. Don't be afraid.
Thank you for being consistent since day 1 hanggang ngayon. Thank you din dahil sa mga ups and downs, happy and sad. Win and lose moments ko, nandyan ka sa tabi.
Muna ko na iyak.
We push through the darkness with all that we've got.
Kaya na yung magiging Mrs. Samson ka na.
Keeping on.
Pinapangako ko sa'yo na pagpapatuloy ko lang kung anong pangako ko sa'yo. Which is yung pasayahin ka araw-araw. I will always continuing loving you, my wife, Mrs. Samson. Love, Mr. Samson. Love you.
Ay.
Hold your head up high. This is our time. Hold your head up high. This is our time. Together we will rise, step into the light. We were born to come alive. Hold your head up high. This is our time.